This is how you do twisty spoon.
Okay. Wow, you're good.
A shoe shape is what.
Mhm. Uh-oh.
Whoa! Let me try you.
So, Madison, could Emo go to Tootsie School with you too?
Yes.
How?
I did that.
Yes, you did say that.
But this is mine. I get to borrow this. I'm gonna twist with this at Twisty School, and you need to get one from the store.
Okay. Do you know who gave that to Emo Ki-young?
Mommy.
Emo Ki-young. Julia's mommy. That's awesome twisty tool, huh? It's fun. It looks like a frisbee.
You better call. Well, we gotta